What's up, guys? I just had to share this with you guys because it's so crazy how I'm about to save 97 cents per gallon. I'm gonna pay 157 and I'm gonna get 97 cents per gallon off this free app. Look, this app right here is like the best thing I've ever seen for saving gas. So if you don't have it, you need to get on it. It is super easy. You download it, you add your email, you create a password, and it's gonna find the gas stations in your area, and then you're gonna get like a bunch of cash back. Like, you could refer people to it, and who doesn't want to save on gas, right? So you just refer them, and then once they use the app, you get 20 cents back per gallon. And that's what happened to me here. Almost $1 per gallon. I got like 16 gallons. Could you do the math, guys? That's like $15 or something like that. I'm gonna get back on gas. And every time I put gas, this is what happens. It's super cheap. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works. I just put gas right now at the gas station. I'm gonna claim it right now. You click claim, and then you just upload the receipt. You gotta make sure you print the receipt. And here it is. I'm gonna close it up. There's the picture. It's scanning it now. $41 that I spent. I'm gonna get back like $15, $16. You see, I picked up everything. You just click upload, and that's it, guys. That's all you gotta do. That's all there is to it. I mean, if you can't get this done, anybody can do this. This is super simple. Every time you go to the gas station, I don't know about you guys, but I put a lot of gas. I drive a V8, and I love savings. It doesn't mean I'm broke. I just love to save, So you guys should really get on this. I'm gonna leave a link for whoever really wants to get the app, if you're interested, and just start enjoying the savings. All right, guys, you have a good one.